Hello and welcome to the In Focus series section of Drishti IAS. I am Aisha Singh and in today's video we will be discussing about how powerful is the Indian passport. So let us first understand the timeline of the video. First we'll be looking at the news, then what is Henley Passport Index 2023 that has recently been released, then how the ranking are given, what is the procedure followed and the condition followed by the Henley Passport Index, then who all are the top 10 strongest passport in the world and the bottom 10 passports in the world. Then in the end, what is India's ranking and as compared to previous years, how India has performed this year. In the end, a prelims MCQ. So this topic is of relevance from General Studies paper 2, that is reports. So this topic becomes important from prelims perspective, as many a times we have seen that UPSC is fond of asking that who has published the report. So what becomes important for you to know is that who is the authority or who is the organization behind publishing the Henley Passport Index. So this news has been taken from the Indian Express and it reads Henley Passport Index 2023. With India on this spot, Indians can travel visa free to 59 destinations. So what has happened is that recently Henley Passport Index 2023 has been launched. And what does this report show or what does this index show is that it ranks passport based on their power and mobility. So the two important words here is power and mobility. Mobility means that how much a person from the country can travel to other country and how freely he or she can travel to other country. And the freedom of movement from one country to another country is what defines the power of a passport. Then India in this year, that is Henley Passport Index 2023 stands at the position 85th position. So this point becomes important for you to remember that the rank of India in this year, that is 2023 report, is 85th and which is 2 places ahead of last year's 87th spot. It means in 2022 India's ranking was 87 and in 2023 India's ranking is 85. It means we have improved. India has improved by 2 places. Then who is the country or which country's passport is the strongest in 2023 edition? Then it is Japan. So the list is topped by which country? It is topped by Japan, which is an Asian country. And the country which is at the bottom of the scale is Afghanistan. Now let us understand what is Henley Passport Index. So Henley Passport Index is prepared by London-based Henley and Partners, which is a global citizenship and residence advisory firm. So you should know that the organization who is publishing the Henley Passport Index, and this is what is the point which is mainly asked in the exam, and this is what the UPSC is very fond of. So you should be knowing that the Henley Passport Index is published by London-based Henley and Partners, and which is a global citizenship and residence advisory firm. So it is an advisory firm. It can only give advice. And it claims to be the original ranking of all the world's passport. Important word here is world's passport. It means all the countries are covered under this, and the Henley Passport Index covers almost all the countries of the world. Then the index gathers data from the International Air Transport Association, which is IATA. So from where the Henley Passport Index is getting its information, and from where the information that they are getting and they are able to publish the data is from International Air Transport Association. Then the International Air Transport Association, which is IATA, what does it do? What is the work which is done by it? Is that it manages inter-airline cooperation globally. Globally means around the world. So this is the organization or this is the association who is responsible for managing all the inter-airline cooperation. It means the cooperation which is among all the countries globally. So the organization or the association responsible for globally managing it is IATA. And Henley Passport Index is updated quarterly. What does quarterly mean? Quarterly means if there are 12 months, then it means every 3 months the index is updated. So it is updated quarterly according to countries' visa policy changes. So whenever a country has a visa policy changes, okay, let me just ask you, what is the difference between passport and visa? These are two absolutely different things. First is passport and second is visa. So passport is a document which is your identity proof and is published or it is given by your own country, your country of residence. While visa is a document which is given by some another country where you want to go or where you want to stay, and it is for a very limited period of time, and it is not your identity proof as compared to passport, because passport is given by your own country or country of residence. So and Henley Passport Index covers 227 destinations and 199 passport. So if overall we will ask that how many countries is taking part in the Henley Passport Index, then it is 199 passport and 227 destinations. It means out of 199 passport, the most strongest or the most powerful passport was of Japan, while the least powerful passport was of which country? It was Afghanistan. While India stands at which position? It was 85th. Now next comes that how ranking are given. What is the procedure which is followed by the Henley Passport Index to give the ranking? So the Henley Passport Index compares the visa-free access of 199 different passports to 227 travel destinations. Important word here is visa-free access. Visa-free access means that can a person of one country move to another country without having visa? It means, like for example, this is your country of residence and this is some another country. Can a person who is residing in country 1 move to country A without applying the visa? And if a person can do this, this is what defines how strong your passport is. So this compares the visa-free access of 199 different passports to 227 travel destinations. And what are the conditions? The conditions is, if no visa is required, then your passport is strong. And if you obtain a visa on arrival means if you are entering some other country and then on your arrival in that other country, are you able to get the visa on arrival or not? And if you are able to get it, it means you have a very strong passport. Then visitors permit, are you able to get the permit while entering the other country or not? Then an electronic travel authority, which is ETA, when entering the destination. So these 4 are the condition which actually defines or what the Henley Passport Index takes into consideration while giving out its ranking. Then a score with value 1 is created for that passport who has all these 4 conditions. So a passport who has all these 4 conditions will be given a value which is equals to 1, while a passport which does not obey all these 4 conditions will not be given the value 1. Then the strongest is defined by the number of countries people with a passport can visit visa free or visa on arrival. So if you or anyone else or any member of any country can visit a country visa free or visa on arrival, it means you are living in a country which has a very strong passport. Next comes that who all are the top 10 strongest passport. Then the first and the foremost is Japan. So the people of Japan can travel to 193 countries visa free or they can get visa on arrival. So the strongest passport is Japan. Very important point from prelims perspective, that you should be able to know that the most strongest passport is of which country? It is of Japan. Second position is shared by Singapore and South Korea. Third is Germany and Spain. And these are the top 10 performers. So you can have a look at these. Then comes the bottom 10 passports. So these are the countries who are having the bottom 10 passports, and the last position is of Afghanistan, while the second last is Iraq, third last is Syria. So you should be able to know the bottom 3 countries, and the topmost at the bottom is Afghanistan. The people of Afghanistan can travel to only 27 countries. Now next comes what is India's ranking, and this is what is important for us to know, that India stands at the 85th position, which is 2 places ahead of last year's 87th. It means in 2022 we were at the 87th position, while in this year, that is 2023, we are at the 85th position. Even though it is a very marginal increment, but we are performing well. Then Indian passport holders can travel visa free to 59 destinations. Important point, that as a citizen of India, you should be able to know that for how many countries you are allowed to travel visa free, then it is 59 destinations you people can travel visa free. And I am sure most of the people won't be knowing it, that to 59 countries you can actually go and travel visa free. And this is a chart which tells us about the historical ranking of India since 2006 to 2023. So in 2023 we are at the 85th position, 2022 we were at 87th, 2021 we were at 90th position. So in last 3 years we are improving from 90th to 85th position. So majorly if you will see that since 2015-16 we are having a position in 80s, and before 2015 we can see that we were even in 70s also. So if from 2006 to 2014-15 you will see, then India were in the range of 70s. So overall we have been in the range of 70s and 80s historically. So next comes now the countries Indians can travel without a visa. That the 59 countries to which the Indians can travel without a visa are these countries. So if we talk about the Oceania region, then it is Cook Islands, Fiji, Marshall Island, Micronesia. Middle East is Iran, Jordan, Oman, Qatar. So these are the countries which you can visit without any visa. In Europe, we can go to Albania. Then the Caribbean islands are there, the Barbados, British Virgin Islands, Dominica, Haiti, and all others. In Asia also there are many countries which we can visit, and that is Bhutan, our neighbor, we share the land border with them also. Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Maldives, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Thailand, and many more. So have a look at all these countries. Then from American continent it is Bolivia and El Salvador, while in Africa it is Botswana, Burundi, Comoros Island, Ethiopia, Gabon, Madagascar, Mauritania, Mauritius, and many more. So these are the countries which, as an Indian citizen, these are 59 countries which we can travel visa free. So in the end, it's time for the prelims MCQ, and you people have to tell me the answer in the comment section. And the question says, consider the following statements regarding the Henley Passport Index 2023. First statement goes that Japan's passport is the strongest in this year's list. Second is Iraq lies at the bottom position. And the third one is India was at 87th position in 2022. Focus on the year that is given, because these are the places where you, as a candidate and as an aspirant, you tend to miss out on the important fact. So you have to tell about the correct answer, and the codes are 2 only, 1 and 3 only, 2 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3. So try to solve the question, and that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading and keep writing.